Hello, or as we say in Wales, I'm bad, Siamon.
Welsh.
Sometimes you set aside time for yourself to write, and instead you end up cutting your nails and watching John Green play FIFA. And that behaviour is bad. Luckily for me, I can do a video about that. The Welsh word for bad is drwg, and like a poorly assembled keyboard, it has too many functions. All of these books are drwg. Allow me to explain. Drwg can mean bad. Drwg can mean naughty. Drwg can mean impious. Drwg can mean iniquitous, which means characterised by injustice, like this boy. Drwg can also mean injurious, which is to cause injury. It also means abusive, defamatory, or offensive. This boy here. Drwg can mean evil. Now you might be thinking, he's put Mein Kampf in the wrong place. But no. Hear me out. If this book hadn't been written, I wouldn't have read it, and I wouldn't have watched many hours of John Green playing FIFA on the internet. Meaning generally I would be a more productive person. Meaning this video would probably already be done. But no, here I am doing it. Evil. And finally, drwg can mean wicked. And aside from its uses as an adjective, as a noun it can mean evil, harm, ill or rotten. Actually, with illness, if you wanted to say I feel bad, you wouldn't say dwi'n teimlo'n drwg, you'd say dwi'n teimlo'n gwael. Now gwael can mean abject, bad, base, ignoble, indisposed, inferior, porky, poor, poorly, shoddy, sick, sickly, sordid, or vile. There are more definitions there than I thought. That might need its own video. No, I haven't got time for that because I need to watch the Wimbly Wombly, so instead I have to condense. From what I can see, here is the crux of the matter. If you were talking about something which is morally bad, then you're probably going to need drwg. Whereas if you're talking about something that is of a poor quality, then you're probably going to need gwael. So to correct my book analogy earlier, this is drwg, whereas this is only gwael. Let's not forget though that this is still evil, and this still wicked. I'm sorry, I'll stop.
Welsh.
Fideos newydd pob dydd Mawrth a dydd Gwener, tan ysgrifwch ac atebwch y cwestiwn canlynol. What is your favourite film drwg and what is your favourite film gwael? Let me know all up in the down below. Sometimes you set aside time for yourself to play FIFA. No. No.